Yongjin is a leading professional CNC machining tool manufacturer in Taiwan. With more than 40 years' experience, we produce the following major products: vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, vertical horizontal complex machining centers, CNC lathe. Our sales network has been established worldwide with our own brand, Supermax. In the foundry, low-frequency electric furnaces are used. Each time before pouring, the material is tested by CE meter. Then, with annealing and aging processes, the mehanite casting quality and material stability are proven. The major components are machined in Yongjin's factory under strict quality control. In the Yongjin machining shop, there are 5 phases machining centers, flexible machining system, jig boring machine, high accuracy spindle grinding machine, high frequency induction surface treatment to achieve a machine guide way hardness of more than HRC 45 degrees. All machining centers and CNC lathes are manufactured under strict quality control. The spindle assembly is finished and test run in a dustless and air conditioner shop where the temperature and moisture are under strict control. All the machines are finished by laser test to acquire the positioning accuracy VDI 3441, PS 0.01 mm, P 0.014 mm. Ball bar test is conducted to adjust for the best mechanical and electronic integration, and the rigidity and cutting tests are finished to ensure best machining capabilities. With a very strong design team, Yongjin can control the machine quality by FEM analysis, cutting vibration test, rigidity test, etc. Yongjin became the first machine tool company in Taiwan to pass ISO 9001, thus assuring international quality standards. In 1997, Yongjin became the first machine tool company in Taiwan to pass ISO 14001 while fulfilling environmental responsibilities. YCM V85A spindle speeds up to 8,000 RPM and optional to 10,000 RPM. Powerful spindle driven by timing belt is free from slipping problems and acquires maximum torque of 18 kilograms per meter. Armless Type 20 ATC units feature compact design and easy maintenance. Reliable U-cam with hydraulic activated arm Type 24 ATC unit requires 3.5 second ATC time. APC Automatic Pallet Changer saves cutting time and increases the machining efficiency. It includes the following features. The APC is activated by the rack to finish the APC changes. Buffer installation to ensure stable APC changes. Air cleaning installation for positioning blocks to acquire high precision. Separate hand wheel for APC operation. Only 20 seconds for APC time. For YCM V96A and V116A, the X-axis slideways are located on the casting. The Y-axis slideways are located above the X-axis. This patented structure ensures excellent dynamic leveling rigidity with no overhang problem. Optional APC can reduce non-machining time. The high-speed, high-precision function is the mighty weapon for mold makers. It features 50% savings in cycle time efficiency, freedom from spindle stagnation, silky finishing surface, sharp edge lines in 3D. YCM V135B is a powerful heavy cutting machine. The Z-axis inner rail design strengthens the best force fluid concept. The Y-axis force slideway design supports the saddle and no saddle overhang. Powerful spindle gearhead design can provide spindle output of 11 kilowatts continuously and 15 kilowatts for 30 minutes. Two-stage speed change, 70 kilograms per meter maximum torque. The powerful spindle features 492 cc's per minute heavy cutting capacity. With optional spindle gearhead, the following can be achieved: 6,000 RPM spindle speed, 15 kilowatts continuously, and 18.5 kilowatts 30-minute output. The 30 ATC unit with the support of roller gear cam mechanism achieves quick and reliable tool exchange and requires a 3.8-second ATC time. There is a screw-type chip conveyor behind the work table for removing chips. YCM V105A high-speed machine has a high spindle speed of up to 8,000 RPM with optional gearbox to acquire maximum 18 kg per meter torque. Optional 10,000 RPM spindle for high-speed machining. Complex fork guideways on Y-axis mean that there are no overhang situations. The inner two are linear guideways. The outer two are well grounded with Terzite B, which features 30 meter per minute rapid feed rate. YCM V65AE Easy Center provides the best human-machine interface. The operator can use guidance function to do guidance milling or use teaching function to do programmed milling. It is very easy to operate. Even the operator does not need to know how to program it to be able to perform pattern positioning, arc milling, pocketing, and diagonal milling. YCM H800B is a large model horizontal machining center with 1050 mm X-axis and 1150 mm Z-axis. For the indexing pallet, 600 mm large-size pallet coupling provides stable clamping capability, and twin clamping cylinders prevent the pallets from deformation under high clamping force. With two-step gearhead transmission, maximum torque of 74.1 kgf, and cutting capacity of 650 cc's per minute can be achieved. The automatic tool change time is only 12 seconds for tool to tool on the reliable hydraulic ATC unit. Shuttle-type APC mechanism driven by ball screw can save non-cutting time. Extra-large coolant flushing capacity brings the cutting chips and heat away from the workpiece. YCM HV800B is a vertical-horizontal complex machining center with very high efficiency. The invisible motor spindle can offer the output power of 11 kilowatts continuously and 15 kilowatts for 30 minutes with the following special characteristics. It can change high-low speed using only the electrical units without gearbox. The low-speed output can be 45.7 kilograms per meter per minute. Heavy cutting capacity is 500 cc's per minute for chip removal rate. 6,000 RPM BT50 spindle is suitable for every kind of cutting or machining. Director transmission spindle does not need gear or belt for transmission. Also no noise, backslash, or vibration problems. YCM TC26 powerful high-speed CNC lathe provides the utmost performance of any CNC lathe. The extremely rigid one-piece 45-degree slant bed base was designed to endure maximum cutting force and easy operation. High speed and high rigidity turret results in an indexing time for adjacent tools of only 0.4 seconds, saving non-cutting time. The 12-station turret is controlled by hydraulic motor with absolute detection and is completely accurate. In addition, the 210mm diameter of the turret with curved coupling offers high precision and high cutting rigidity. X-Z-axis guideways with tercite B design will reduce friction. The rapid feed of X-axis is 15 meters per minute. Z-axis is 20 meters per minute. Servo motor direct connections with ball screws are extremely precise. Tool length measurement system is an optional function. The sensor can automatically move to the measurement position. Then the tool is controlled by the program and moves close to the sensor. It can automatically do the tool geometry and wear compensation and offset in +X, -X, +Z, -Z, 4 directions, increasing the precision and efficiency. High precision and high rigidity programmable tailstock can be controlled by M code. The tailstock can be hooked to saddle working. The powerful spindle with built-in gears provides various speeds. The maximum torque is up to 74.5 kilograms per meter and the maximum speed is up to 4,000 RPM. During heavy cutting, the insert depth can be 8 millimeters. Material removal efficiency 410 cc's per minute and each kilowatt more than 27 cc's. All these performances make TC26 a high rigidity, powerful, heavy cutting CNC lathe. Spherical bearing making can achieve a precision for a sphericity of less than 0.015 millimeters. YCM V218B has X, Y, Z axes of 2100, 860, and 760 millimeters. And for YCM V211OB, the Y-axis extends to 1020 millimeters. They are extra-large vertical machining centers with a patented T-shaped base with the best rigidity. Maximum weight on table can be 5,000 kilograms. The rapid feed rate is 12 meters per minute with high accuracy and no work table overhang problem. There are 2 screw-type chip conveyors beside the X-axis to remove the chips outside of the machine to automatically keep the machine clean. The maximum spindle horsepower is 18.5 kilowatts. Maximum output torque is 86.1 kilograms per meter. Maximum spindle speed is 4,000 RPM. Maximum cutting capacity is 613 cc's per minute. Maximum cutting depth is 9 millimeters. Even with a 1,070 millimeter distance between spindle center and column front, a high capacity can be maintained during heavy cutting. Also, newly designed powerful spindle with built-in gear can provide 6,000 RPM spindle speed and 22 kilowatt horsepower. The ATC unit is a reliable high-speed cam mechanism. YCM H500A Horizontal Machining Center is designed with super rigid tripled rib, 3-point support for easy commissioning, and 3-axis NR linear guideways. Machine column is movable along X-axis, and work table is movable along Z-axis. Rapid feed rate is 30 meters per minute. Cutting feed rate can be 10 meters per minute. ARM-type ATC unit uses cam mechanism and needs only 2-second ATC time. Servo motor drive tool magazine can directly check the tool number without problem. Rotary pallet change and railway support ensure fast and reliable APC motion within only 8-second APC time. High spindle horsepower design can provide 11 kilowatts. 85mm inner diameter ceramic spindle bearings can get excellent rigidity performance. With optional gearbox, there is higher output torque and 5mm cutting depth. YCM V56T High-Speed, High-Efficiency Machining Center is created for producing small parts and accessories for motorcycles and automobiles, and fine mold making. The spindle speed is 12,000 RPM. Rapid feed rate is 36 meters per minute along XY axes and 24 meters per minute along Z axis. Maximum rigid tapping speed for M6 screw hole can be 6,000 RPM. Continuous tapping speed is 9.5 seconds for 20 M6 screw holes. Maximum tapping capacity is for M16 screw. Maximum drill capacity is 18 millimeters diameter. Base milling capacity is 2.5 millimeters cutting depth. The unique cam mechanism can perform tool unclamping and exchanging at the same time, with a uniform ATC time of 1 second tool to tool, which is superior to most tapping centers. This is also the highest speed machine made in Taiwan. Yongjin Machinery Industries Company always gives you the best efficiency, best quality, and best after-sales service. Thank you for choosing our machines. Yongjin continuously pursues excellence, always improving and refining. Yongjin thanks you for your time.